the same idea as before. Get things to the same base. So look at all the numbers in A. Can you write everything in the same powers chart? Everything can be written as a power of 2, right? So this one's already in a power of 2. 8 is 2 cubed. And cube root of 2 is 2 to the power of what? 1/3. So this is how we're going to start. We're going to start by getting things into the power of 2. What we want is a power of 2, 1 power of 2 on the left side of our equation, and 1 power of 2 on our right side of the equation. So we have to go to our power laws. What do we do when we're multiplying powers with the same base? Add the exponents. So we would get 3 plus 1/3. How do we add fractions? Common denominator. I'm going to change that 3 to a 9/3. That was fancy. And then we get 2 to the x equals 10/3. So what's x going to equal? 10/3. Because once you get the bases the same, well, it was a 3, right? But in order to add the fractions, I need a same base. And 3 is the same as 9/3. So there's a little bit of magic there, just having that 9 appear on top. But so there's A. For B, can we write all of those numbers with the same base? Powers of 5. So the 125 is 5 cubed. What do we do with the square root? That becomes a 1/2. And then we still have 2x plus 1 outside. If you want to do that in 2 steps, if you want to just do the 5 cubed first and keep it in square root, and then do the half after, you could. On the other side, the 625 is 5 to the 4, and the cube root will be to the power 1/3. How do we multiply 3 numbers? Well, you choose 2 of them to multiply first. I'll do it 3/2, and I'd still need to multiply by 2x plus 1. And on this side, 4 times 1/3, multiply the tops, multiply the bottoms, and you get 5 to the 4/3. If we distribute this through now, you would have 3x plus 3/2 and 4/3 on this side. But now they're both sides are powers of 5 with a base of 5. So you know that 3x plus 3/2 has to equal 4/3. And now you need to solve for x. Do you like those fractions there? How would you get rid of fractions? Multiply. You can multiply everything by 3 and then everything by 2 to get rid of those. Or you could just start by multiplying things by 6. If I multiply things by 6, this will become 18x. I'm going to times this by 6, times this by 6, times this by 6. This will become 18/2, which cancels out that 2 on the bottom. And you just get plus 9. This will become 24/3, which simplifies to 8. So that gets rid of our fractions. Now we can subtract 9 on both sides. And x is equal to -1/18. Questions you can do for these ones, a little bit more complicated, are 9 and 10. But I hope you get a sense that we're doing like something more mathy, just numbers and x's. Doesn't that feel more mathy than the graphing?